Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Insta Blogs. Today it's time for making some spicy cakes. You know the traditional Bangladeshi spicy cakes. That's what we're making right now. It's called chitoi pitha in Bengali. And the main ingredients which is used to make this pitha. This is the rice. So rice is just grinded in the machines and make into smaller pieces, broken into very small particles. Something looks like talcum powder. Then that turns into these types of spicy cakes. You can see here. This is right in front of us, making traditional furnace, the local furnace, which is burned. You can see the process here. The liquid paste that includes the rice particles, water, salt, pieces of onions, pieces of green chilies, the spicy powders of ripe chilies, some coriander and other flavored spices. Then all they are mixed up, including the salt, making into a very nice paste and liquid that's put into the local furnace. You can see a holder which is on top, and another jar you can see here that contains all the ingredients that just we put onto this holder. And the raw amount you can see here. This is the regular powder which is crushed in the machines, and this is rice particles. The final stage of the spicy cakes looks like this. You can see lots of pores in the surface. A single piece on the bowl. Environment is quite nice. These are the extra parts after mixing the onions. So you have seen the process. In outdoor environment, you can see the furnace is burning. The materials used for burning is the local woods or the bamboo. Those are used, and other variable types particles. Everything can be burned if it's dry. So it's the winter season, you know, that's why most of the things are dry. It lets humid and no rain at all. So the process is going on. You can also make it on gas furnace, but you know the local coal burnt furnace. This is usually a traditional way of making these types of cakes, and the production going on. After that, the thing is just broken into small pieces. You can see. So I will have you a close view. The broken pieces, you can see, it helps to go out all the heats that's stacked inside of this cake. But you have to eat it while it is still little bit hot. If it's cold, then it doesn't taste that much better. That's why you have to eat it with a little heart inside. And you know, during the winter season, this is a tradition in our country to make all these types of cakes. So this was an opportunity. I want to share with you all these things. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel if you like it. In next videos, we are going to bring more videos and more interesting stuff. Thank you so much. Have a good day.